In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to Typeform. By the end, you'll have Calendly connected so people can book time with you directly from a Typeform, streamlining your intake or lead capture flow. Before we start, make sure you're signed into both your Calendly and Typeform accounts and that you have permission to install integrations in your workspace. Begin in Calendly. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Integrations and Apps. This is where all official and partner connections live, so it's the best place to manage and discover tools that work with your scheduling. Once the integrations directory loads, you can browse categories, but the quickest route is to use the search. In the search field, type Typeform. Calendly will filter the results so you can get straight to the correct listing without scrolling through everything. Open the Typeform Partner Integration page. This page gives you an overview of what the integration does, any requirements, and support links. Take a moment to skim it so you know what permissions will be requested and what to expect after connecting. When you're ready, select Add Integration. Calendly will guide you out to Typeform to finish the setup. On the Typeform side, you'll see the option to use this integration. Click that to proceed. If you aren't already signed into Typeform, you'll be prompted to log in first and choose the correct workspace. Make sure you pick the workspace where your form lives so the scheduling question will be available where you need it. Next, Typeform will present its terms of service, privacy policy, and data processing agreement. Review these, then check the box to indicate you agree. This consent allows the two platforms to exchange the minimum data needed to embed scheduling in your form. Finally, click Accept and Continue. This authorizes the connection and completes the link between Calendly and Typeform. You should see a confirmation, and from here, the Calendly scheduling question will be available inside your Typeform builder, so respondents can pick a time without leaving the form. If you don't see the integration right away, refresh your browser, confirm you're signed into the correct accounts, and verify you have admin or editor permissions. Disable pop-up blockers if a window didn't open during authorization. If you manage multiple workspaces, double-check you selected the right one. Trying a private browsing window can also help clear cached sessions. That's it, your Calendly and Typeform are now connected and ready to streamline bookings directly from your forms.